What if I told you that you can get a 1080p HD camera drone with smart controls like voice, gesture, and even gravity sensing, all for a budget price? Stick around, because this drone might just be the easiest and most fun way to start flying in 2026. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the HolyStone HS 110D FPV RC Drone. This is a beginner-friendly drone that comes packed with features like a 1080p HD wide-angle camera, real-time FPV streaming, altitude hold for stable flight, and multiple smart control modes, including voice and gesture control. Whether you're completely new to drones or just looking for a fun, affordable option, this drone promises an easy flying experience with plenty of features to explore. Let's get started. The HolyStone HS 110D FPV RC Drone is a feature-packed beginner-friendly quadcopter designed to deliver an easy and enjoyable flying experience along with decent aerial photography capabilities. It comes equipped with a 1080p camera and a 120-degree wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture clear and immersive aerial shots while viewing live FPV footage directly on their smartphone through the app. The drone is built with an altitude hold function that keeps it stable in mid-air, making it extremely easy for beginners to control and focus on capturing photos or videos without worrying about maintaining height. It also includes headless mode, which simplifies navigation by ensuring the controls respond relative to the pilot's position, making flight orientation much easier to manage even for first-time users. In addition, the drone offers smart features such as voice control, gesture control, gravity sensor control, and trajectory flight, all accessible through the mobile app, providing a modern and interactive flying experience. For added fun, it supports 3D flip stunts that enhance the entertainment factor during flight sessions. The package includes 2 modular batteries, offering up to 20 minutes of total flight time with quick and easy battery replacement for extended use. Overall, the HolyStone HS 110D is a solid entry-level drone that combines stability, smart features, and camera functionality, making it a great choice for beginners, kids, and casual users looking to explore aerial photography and enjoy a smooth flying experience. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.